Maxine.
Carlton, when did you get back?
Oh, you know something never there.
Well, the fact that you didn't come to the office to look for your little girlfriend made me assume that you were off the island.
And the 15 messages and phone call, you know, get them.
Oh, sorry. I changed my phone.
How convenient.
So, Carlton, how did you find me? Because this is not one of my scheduled stops, so...
Necessity is the mother of all inventions.
Well, I know for a fact your little love interest could not be the one to tell you where I was because she doesn't know where I am either. But... Carlton, are you stalking me?
Maxine, cut the bullshit. What is happening with Marcus?
Okay. Can we? Okay, so here's what's happening. We have been lowering his dose of medication. So the hallucinations that he's been experiencing have been getting fewer, and we are hoping for the best.
Hold on. How did this condition move from a mild heart attack to hallucinations?
Well, it could be contributed to stress.
And that make him a seem wife?
Well, Carlton, do you know what your brother has been experiencing since his wife passed?
No, do you?
No, I don't know either. And that's why we're trying to get him better. And as much as we think we may know how somebody deals with grief, we don't know, Carlton.
All that talk, Maxine, this whole thing does seem strange to me.
No, it is not. The things we don't understand always seem so fantastical to us. Remember his busy work schedule. And then there's a pain suppression. Plus, his drinking.
Marcus don't drink.
We don't know that. We don't know what someone does behind closed doors, Carlton. What we need to know is that when people are grieving, they pick up habits that none of us know about.
Tell me something. What kind of medication you give? I need a list.
Oh. Okay. So this is not about your brother's health. This is just to find out if Maxine is doing something criminal.
Yeah. Is Maxine doing something criminal?
You know what, Carlton? I am over it with the Wallaces. I've done so much for all of you.
All of you?
Yes. All of you. And all of you are ungrateful. You pay me back with nothing but accusations and suspicions.
Oh, Maxine, queen of deflecting. Look here, Carlton you talk to. Me know you. You're always up to something. You're always a plot and scheme. And you're a middle name that.
Well, Carlton, your niece, well, your daughter, whatever it is, your relative, came to visit me for the same list that you're asking me about, and I would have sent it to her with due diligence to her email. So if you want that information, you can contact her. And she came to me, just like you, with the same Wallace ungrateful energy.
You know what I find weird? Is how you have selective memory. I feel like everybody has the same thing. You have been opposing Marcus since you come to the ministry and I push this herbal medicine foolishness mumbo jumbo. So now I'm out of the way. Who did ever stop you?
Why does everybody think I'm here to overrun your brother? Carlton, I have a board to report to, an administration to run. That's all there is.
Look here. Forget all of that. Let me just be clear. Me not trust you. So I want a second opinion about my brother's situation.
Okay, not a problem. Let me get some referrals for you. Would you like Dr. Smith, Dr. Ray Yen, Dr. Brown or Dr. Green. I can call them right now.
I can bet all them that your friend them, though. Tell you what, me fly him out, go get medical help.
Oh, well, Carlton, sad story. We can do all of that. But I'm sorry to say you're going to need a referral. Guess from who?
Something stinking at Denmark, and it's not the fish.
Carlton, I don't want to say you are stuck with me, but you're stuck with me. So, if we want what's best for your brother, where he's at now, we have the best resources. You just have to trust the process. And like I would have said to your niece, your daughter, your relative, may I have permission to go on my merry way?
All right, Maxine. Go on.
Thank you. And like I said, we are doing everything we can to ensure that your brother does not end up in a mental institution.
I'm sure you are.
Oh, duty calls. Hi, darling, how are you?
Maxine Grant. You think me an idiot, don't? I'm gonna find out exactly what you're up to.